So get next means it's like read next. So what it is going to do, it is going to get the next record wherever the cursor is present. I mean, it gets wherever it gets a record. Gets the segment occurrence wherever the cursor is present, and move the cursor to the next segment occurrence. So it's like read next. So what read does, read the record wherever the cursor is present and moves the cursor to next record, next available record. Similarly, a get next is going to get the segment occurrence wherever the cursor is present and move the cursor to next segment occurrence based on the logical database. So it is continuously going to move the cursor to next segment occurrence and so on. So once it reaches the end of database, it is going to update by status code GB. So GB stands for end of database. So say get next can be given with SSA or without SSA, it doesn't matter. A get next can be given either with SSA. SSA can be either qualified or an unqualified. So or without SSA. If you don't give SSA and if you give get next, it just moves based on the hierarchical structure. So like top down, left to right, and front to back. If you give get next without a segment search argument. But if you give get next with SSA, SSA can be either qualified or unqualified. So what it does, it is going to search for the segment or segment with data and then place the cursor accordingly. So this call does sequential processing and retrieves next segment occurrence from the current cursor position. This follows a hierarchy in the logical view of database, only in the logical view, not in the physical database. So if this call is given as a first call, it is going to retrieve the first root segment. It retrieves first segment, and further GN is going to be in a hierarchical fashion. So here I have given get next call with the qualified SSA. It's like skip sequence. Have you heard about skip sequential? Skip sequential means you are going to say if there are 1,000 records, you want 901 to 1,000 records read sequentially. In a VSAM file, what you do? In VSAM file, we start, right? We use a start command to position the cursor to 901 record, then do a read next till end of file is reached. That is called skip sequential.
Yes.
So you have to understand what SSA. SSA stands for segment search argument. It is going to search the segment or segment with data for the call. That's all. So it is going to place the cursor based on the SSA. It moves from top down, left, right, front to back in the same hierarchical fashion. And whenever it matches the criteria specified in SSA, it is going to stop. So remember, we did insert yesterday with using a load sequential using a load sequential PSB. In proc options, we gave LS. So that is only for empty database. And remember, when you load an empty database, you can use LS, and you have to insert in hierarchical fashion, and record data should be already pre-sorted. So, but going forward, if you want to insert something, so what are you supposed to do? You can use SSA, unqualified SSA, and you have to make sure you place the cursor in the parent. Suppose if you want to insert a root, you can directly insert a root segment. Doesn't matter because there is no parent for root. Because parent is 0. Suppose if you want to insert a segment under a parent, you have to make sure you place the cursor in the parent and do insert with the unqualified SSA. What it is going to do, it is going to insert the data under that parent. So this is how future additions are taken care of.